Okay, our next guest is UK barrister Natasha Hausdorff. Natasha, great to have you back here on Outsiders. We were talking earlier to Colonel Richard Kemp kind of about the military aspects of the pages exploding and the walkie-talkies exploding and the current activity. There's the war that's happening to Israel's north. Wanted to ask you about the kind of legal ramifications of this. As Rita was saying earlier, there's a lot of the criticism from the usual suspects on the left is, oh, this was indiscriminate targeting, etc., yada, yada. But you've written very brilliantly about the legal aspects of the pager attacks. Explain your thinking to us.
Well, thank you. I was prompted to respond to some of this misinformed analysis that claimed that whoever was behind these pager explosions, subsequently walkie-talkies, smartwatches, intercoms, many things have been exploding in close proximity, if not on the persons, of Hezbollah operatives, not just in Lebanon. And the analysis so far has been desperately lacking in real international law. These are the most targeted strikes one could possibly imagine, given that they are, where we're talking about the pages themselves, Hezbollah issued 2 terror operatives that have been targeting the terrorists and those that are in the chain of command specifically, that have been taking their instructions from Hezbollah directly. It's probably worth noting that so far as we understand it, these pages were issued because Hezbollah was concerned that smartphones might give away too much information to the Israelis. And in the context of distinction, necessity, proportionality, these principles of the laws of armed conflict being adhered to in an exemplary fashion, really all the criticism that we've seen in the context of international law has been extremely troubling, because it is fueling a lot of this misrepresentation about international law and about international humanitarian law, the law of armed conflict more specifically.